I want to go over two things in this video. This is our 07 Sprinter van here. Do you need different bolts for steel and aluminum wheels? And the answer is yes. This is an aluminum wheel. That is a steel. They are substantially different in thickness. You can see how thick this guy is. And these are the bolts. This is the difference in bolt here. This guy is the aluminum, much longer. This is for steel, so substantially shorter. This, if you put this in, won't even connect to the hub. Another thing, guys, this is my torque wrench here. These have two very different torque specs. And what is the right torque spec? Well, I have the manual right here. Boom. Steel wheels are 177 foot-pounds, and aluminum wheels are 100. Let me double check here, make sure I get the right one. Boom, they are 133 foot-pounds. So, different torque specs. Make sure you use the right one, because if you over-torque it, that's a problem. I'll put a link in the description. Going aftermarket with these, you can go Mercedes. They're about $3 a bolt, so times that by 24 of these guys runs you close to 300 bucks. So if you grab them aftermarket, it can save you a lot of money. I went the way I got the actual genuine Mercedes ones here off of eBay, and it's ended up I got them for all of the wheels, all 24 bolts, for I think 60 bucks. So if you find a deal like that, go for it. But otherwise, I'll put a link in the description and for each of these guys. So that's it. Also, if you are looking in the owner's manual, you need to look under practical hints, not tires and wheels. So a couple things there. Make sure you do it right. And we'll see you next time. If this was helpful, subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know. Thank you. Bye.